Let's make a burger stuffed in cheese today. Oh, yum. We're gonna start by prepping our cheese. I have 6 slices of white American cheese here. You can use pepper jack, you can use Havarti, you can use Munster, you can use obviously yellow American cheese, cheddar cheese. I sometimes even use blue cheese, love it. So we need 6 slices for 4 burgers. So I'm just gonna pile this and I'm gonna cut it in 4 squares. So now we have little piles of 6 that we're gonna set aside. I have 1 pound of burger meat here. It's 80-20. And all I'm gonna do is mix it up with salt and pepper. You guys can put garlic in it. You can put Worcestershire sauce in it. You can season it however you want. I just want plain salt and pepper. Now with clean hands, I'm going to mix it all. I don't want to go overboard with the salt because the cheese has salt. So, you know, you can always add more later. So I'm gonna divide this meat in 4. Try and have the same size. This is how we form these patties. We divide our meat. We start flattening half. Just flatten it. You want it to be thin. You put your cheese in the middle. We do the same with the top. So now we place this on top of the cheese and we start sealing the edges. We don't want that cheese to seep out of our burger. Nicely sealed. Because I handle this so much, I am going to now refrigerate these. I'm going to put them on a plate, cover them in plastic wrap, and in the fridge for at least 30 minutes before we cook them. I'm gonna make a little sauce for my burger. Obviously, guys, if you just wanna use mayo or only ketchup, whatever, I just wanna show you what I want on mine today. I have a tablespoon of mayo, a teaspoon of mustard, teaspoon of ketchup, and about a half teaspoon of horseradish in here. I'm just going to mix that and set it aside. All right, so now we're gonna get our bun ready. I'm using brioche. I'm going to spread some softened butter on each side, and we're going to grill it on a hot skillet. All right, these are nice and grilled. I'm gonna set them aside. So now we'll cook our patty. Just gonna spray a little oil on here. We wanna work on medium heat. The skillet got nice and hot, and now I reduce the heat to medium. I am only going to cook 1 burger for you today. I will freeze the rest for another day. So beautiful sizzle. When you're searing meat, don't be moving it. Let it get its nice color at the bottom before you flip it. And if you start flipping and it's stuck, it means the meat is still cooking. Don't tear it off, okay? Beautiful sear. I flipped it when I saw that, that I already had color seeping on the sides. And I'm going to finish cooking it like that, flipping it maybe a couple more times until there's no more pink here in the middle. Okay, while that's finishing cooking, let's get our sandwich ready. So I'm gonna spread some of that sauce, both sides, and I'm adding my burger. Notice that the cheese did not seep out of the burger, and it's because we sealed it correctly. Time to finish it. You finish it like you want. Lettuce, tomato, red onion, whatever. I'm only going to put pickles on this. And we have a beautiful burger. So let's cut this in half to see what's going on with the cheese. Haha, check that out. So now let's taste it. That is a darn good burger. It's fantastic.